Nice to see you back. All right, moving on to the assertions for balance sheet. Like I was saying, that we try and keep it, something that can be remembered. So like it was Paco for P&L, it is Pacer for your balance sheet assertions. Now what is Pacer? It is again presentation, accuracy, classification, but here there are a couple of different ones, and there are existence and rights and obligations. Now what is existence and rights and obligation? For example, you want to check whether the asset is there or not, because obviously when we talk about asset, the existence needs to be there. Otherwise you could be saying that I own hundreds and thousands of machinery and it may not be there, right? So existence is the assertion that you will apply in procedure for, and maybe you will say that visit the factory and check physically whether the assets are present or not, and this will confirm your assertion existence. Similarly, rights and obligation. Now rights and obligation is to do with the actual ownership of the asset. So when you are trying to confirm for the same machine whether the company owns this machine or not, whether they have the right to show this machine on their balance sheet, you will check for title deed, right? So inspect the title deed to confirm whether the company is the true owner of the machine or not. I hope you've liked these assertion videos. Continue to watch out for the next video where I will be discussing controls and what you do with them. Thank you.